Hi, my name is Kaleigh Kimminau. I'm a junior mechanical engineering student, and I'm going to show you the Thermal Energy and Cryogenics Lab. So I'll show you around a little bit. Right now we're actually running a test with liquid nitrogen. Those what these two canisters are. So the test is actually to test the insulative properties of a material. So, you know, on like a cooler or in your house, you've got insulation to keep either things warm or things cold. And so we're actually testing a new material on that. It's called aerogel. It's been around for a little while, but they're still actually developing it. And so we're trying to test the properties of it to see how insulative it is. We've done a control test already with foam glass. We already know how insulative foam glass is, and so we were trying to test that our system is actually getting the correct value for what they call thermal conductivity. And so to do that, we've run a room temperature test, an ice bath test, and now a liquid nitrogen test. So I'll move you closer and show you what the liquid nitrogen bath test looked like. Right now we're running it. You can see there's frost at the bottom of the thing. I'll point it down so you can see inside. And then I'm going to turn on the liquid nitrogen so you can see how it boils. As you can see, there's lots of steam coming off because it's actually instantly boiling. So we put it in there. And I'm going to turn it off because we've got plenty of liquid nitrogen in there right at the moment. So it's actually safe to touch because it boils off my hand instantly. Don't want to leave your hand in there, but my hand is so warm compared to the very cold temperature of it that it boils instantly when I touch it. Our temperature thermometer that we have in there is telling us that it's 78.4 degrees Kelvin, which is actually negative 318 degrees Fahrenheit. And so you can kind of compare to that to what you know. Now I'm going to bring you over to where our computer is, where we're taking data actually on this test. We've got a helium canister that goes into the test to keep about 2 psi of pressure to make sure that liquid nitrogen doesn't get inside where the material, the thermometers, and the heater are. And then we have a computer over here that takes our data. Currently we don't have the heater running, we're letting it cool down again, but we do have current running into our thermometers, so we're continuing to take data, and it's logging it right here. We also have a notebook where we write down what tests we've done and what we've changed when we've come into the lab, because oftentimes we'll come in at different times. Every one of us on the team will come in. There's actually 4 of us on the team, and each of us get a credit hour for doing research. I think that's everything I have to show you. Thanks so much for watching.